Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to review the Bloomberg Retirement Calculator. This is Nick with Under 30 Wealth, and I've been checking out a lot of different retirement calculators online, doing tutorials on them, which you can find below in the description. I've linked to those other videos, and we've been testing out some different retirement planning calculators to see the different features and the metrics you can type in, and what different estimates each one spits out. And a lot of it just comes down to the functionality. We're seeing what the different functions and features of the retirement calculator are. My favorite one so far was the Schwab retirement calculator, how it had these little dials you could adjust easily and see how much, if you wanted to increase your spending in retirement and you wanted to spend $50,000 or $60,000, it showed you when your retirement income was going to run out. So it was a pretty cool calculator. But in today's, we're using the Bloomberg Business. So my whole goal is I work with under30wealth.com. That's my website. I found it, and it's to inspire young individuals to start investing young, whether you're 18, 19, or in your 20s. It's a great time to start investing. You've got lots of time on your side. So when you start putting away money at this age, your money's going to compound for many, many years until you're 60 or 50 and decide to retire. And if you start in your 30s, you just lost 10 years potentially that your money could have been in an account, compounding and growing. So that's why it's important to start young. So Under 30 Wealth is trying to inspire people how to budget and save money and how to invest in real estate and stocks. So today we're going to show you that typical example. So let's say you're a college kid, just graduated, so you're 22 years old and you want to start investing for the first time. And we'll say you're trying to retire at age 50. And your expected annual return is going to be $8%, and currently you have $0 to your name. You just got out of school, paid off all your student loans, or maybe you have student loans so you don't have any money in your savings. And so this is starting fresh. You're going to start investing at age 22. So by age 50, we'll start with that we need $1.75 million saved in retirement, as that's how much we think is going to survive us from age 50 until maybe age 85 or 90, when we could potentially still be alive. So that's our desired money we need at retirement, age 50. So now down here you hit calculate and it spits out your contribution. So it's saying if I want to have $1.75 million at retirement at age 50, I need to be putting away $18,000 a year. And that's assuming an 8% interest on investment. So it shows you that over the life of your contributions, the 28 years here, it goes out to 28 years, you're only going to contribute, around this $500,000. But because your money earns interest and then your interest earns interest, that's the power of compounding. So your retirement account value is going to keep growing. So you contribute $500,000 and your retirement account grows over those 28 years to $1.75 million. So you earned, over $1 million, over $1.2 million in interest alone that you didn't actually contribute to your account. That's all interest. So that's the power of compounding, why we talk about investing young, to get this interest growing and going. So overall, this one, it looks like it doesn't have a whole lot of functionality. Like I said, I like some of the other calculators. You can see how long that money's going to last you in retirement, where this one just shows you what you'll have at retirement. So we can play around. If you want to have, let's say you want to have $3 million at retirement so that you can live a baller retirement lifestyle, then we're going to punch in $3 million and see how much now we need to put away a year. So in order to have $3 million saved by age 50, remember this is age 50. Most people retire at age 60, 65. We're trying to retire young at age 50. So by retirement, we're going to need $3 million. So that's saying we need to start socking away $31,000 a year. But let's say we change this and we want to retire at age 65 and have $3 million by age 65. Well, let's recalculate it. Instead of $31,000, we only need to put away $9,000. So that's more reasonable. So if you're 22 years old and you start saving $9,000 a year and you're able to earn 8%, that's one of the key variables. If you're able to earn 8% on average over those years, then $9,000 a year saved is going to turn into $3 million projected by this calculator by age 65. So if we need, maybe let's say our cost of living, we're not living too luxurious a lifestyle, we only need 1.5 million at retirement, and we want to retire at age 40. So we only want to work 18 years and then quit. And let's say we're putting our money in riskier investments. So from age 22 to age 40, we're in high growth investments that maybe yield us a 12% return on investment. And now we can see how much we need to put away. So we need to put away almost $27,000 a year over those 18 years in order to achieve a $1.5 million retirement balance at age 40. So that wraps up this tutorial today. I highly advise checking out some of my other tutorials on the other retirement calculators because they definitely had a lot of different functions that this calculator lacks. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm checking out multiple calculators because if you just type in retirement calculator on Google and you only check out one calculator, you might be missing some cool features and cool information that these calculators will give you. So this one pretty much is just to tell you how much you need to put away each year based on what your retirement goal is, but I would advise checking out those other calculators. It'll actually show you, once you have 1.5 million at age 40, how long that money's actually going to last. It might run out at age 60, which means you might have to put away even more money and save maybe 3 million by age 40. So check those videos out in the link below, and if you also have time, check out under30wealth.com. We've got a lot of great articles. We've got free guides, we've got courses, we've got ebooks, all on investing, budgeting. I even show you my real estate investing journey as I am buying real estate investments already at age 21 and renting them out, and I'll be buying apartment complexes soon within the next few months, and by the time you're seeing this video, I've likely already purchased some apartment complexes. So check out my journey I track on my blog under30wealth.com, and thanks for checking out this video today on retirement calculators.